may nangyaring hindi maganda dito, oh. Na-stuck kami dito, oh. Merong ambulance, may police. Siguro may nasagasaan. Oh my God. The police here. Looks like Filipino. There's a Filipino involved.
Holy airbags.
Holy
everything
cow.
exploded.
Kadarating lang din namin. Jesus Christ. Namili kami ng ng aming grocery. Ilang bags lang to. Ang mahal ng bilihin ngayon. Grabe. Magkano binayaran ko dito sa grocery? $265. Kulang-kulang $300. Hamakin nyo yan. Ganon kamahal. Ay, sa grocery lang yan, ha? My God. Paano ba tayo mabubuhay dito? Kaya marami nang umaalis sa Canada, eh. Marami nang umiis ka po. Kahit anong trabaho mo dito, dalawa-dalawa pa trabaho mo, hindi nakakayanin sa mahal ng bilihin, ng gastusin. Gagawa ako ng tortang talong.
You talking to yourself or what?
Oh my God! Don't you see this?
Oh.
At mamili ako ng kalabasa. Dami-dami ng aking gulay. I am more into veggies. May bisita ako kahapon. Sinala niya ako isang Pilipina, aking kaibigan, and then may pasalubong siya sa aking mga fish. Dahil alam niya na fish and vegetable lagi ang kinakain ko. At ayun, papakita ko sa inyo. Ayan, yung binigay sa akin fish. Saka pasalubong niya sa akin white fish. So gagawin natin yan na parang fish fillet. Tapos ito, pasalubong niya sa akin. Hindi ko na lang siya na videohan kasi naging busy sa pagkukwentuhan. Ang bahay ay isang napaka la 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 la.
I was going to get a bag of sugar.
Bumili rin ako ng lemon. Umiinom ako ng lemon kapag umaga. Ito yung aking gagawin na graham cake. So, ito pa, ano ba ang dami, oy? Number 1 and table napkin. Okay. Banana. This out. Bumili pa kami nito. Potatoes. So, magawa tayo ng cake. that? Ang aming fridge. The fridge is full.
And put
Hindi na
these in the
nagkakasya.
Ziploc so they all dry out.
Dito, ang ilalagay lang namin dito is meat and then ice cream and then yung mga meatballs, fish, french fries. Yan, kasi, yan. Dahil, mabilis, maligas dito sa freezer. Hindi na ako mamroblema sa pagkain ng about how many days we consume this, babe?
Should be good for a week.
So yeah, we should be good for a week. Ganyan lang.
In this part of the video, I started making a mango graham cake, and aside from the condensed milk and all-purpose cream I had just bought, I found some leftover thick cream in the fridge that I could still use for the recipe. So that's why the cream looks a bit clumpy. It doesn't mean it is spoiled, but it is just froze in the fridge. So anyway, my child requested this because it's been a long time since they've had it. So when we were at the superstore and the idea popped up into my head, so I thought, why not? And then niluto ko na rin yung isda na pasalubong ng kaibigan kong Pilipina, at dahil marami siya, so gumawa ako ng fish fillet at gumawa na rin ako ng gulay na kalabasa para sa akin na nagustuhan na rin ng hubby at ng anak ko. At pinagsaluhan namin yun. Simple lang naman ang pag-prep ng dish na ito. I just dip the fish in beaten eggs and then in cornstarch. I was planning to use butter, but I decided not to and ended up using olive oil instead. Anyway, this is my first time making this kind of dish since I usually prepare fish cooked in gata. As you remember, I had these previous videos na puro kapag nagluluto ako ng isda is kalimitan is gata. So anyway, it turned out really good and my hubby and daughter really enjoyed it. And also, I wanted to take this moment to thank Joyce for this fish. I truly appreciate and I am grateful for her effort to come over and find my address just to drop off this pasalubong and hang out for a bit. Your kindness is incomparable. And also, we had the chance to meet her husband. So, ayan, nakaluto na rin ako. Sa tingin pa lang, ang sarap na. Gumawa ako ng sausawan para malasa kasi this fish is tasteless. Although I added some spices to the flour, we still needed a bit more flavor. So, gumawa ako ng toyo at hinalo ako ng konting lemon and then kamatis. And then, of course, hindi mawawala yung sili. So, ang sarap ng kain, di ba?
Ayan, nagluto ako ng fish fillet. Ang sarap ng amoy. Meron pa ako dito. Kain na tayo. Oh, how's the food, guys? Ha? Meron pa kaming tira at kakain kami ng aking ginawang graham cake. So,
It's not too sweet. I like it.
ha? Tingnan natin, guys, kung anong sa ano. Oh, may mango pa, oh.
It is. Flour?
Yeah.
Oh, it is. You get wiped into the garbage. Drain.
Ang sarap!
Yum.
Ang sarap. Oy, guys.
It's been so long.
Ha?
It's been so long. Pinapataba mo?
Oh God! Ah! May mango pa, oh.
Ano lang ka po?
Haba.
Pinapataba mo. Chop.
Alam mo nun, ano kayo, pinapampers ko kayo. Ang sarap. Grabe, ang sarap, uy. Hire me what?
Ano siya?
Oh? Oh God, Graham cake. Tapos naming ano.
Goodness gracious.
Tapos, kumusta na yung yung niluto kong fish fillet?
It's really good.
So, pagkatapos namin kumain, ayan, ang aming, panghimagas. Oh, ang sarap naman nito, oy. Ang anak ko, oh.
Ano ba?
You like it?
It's good. Mango
Yeah, you got
graham.
the yummy.
Mango graham. What? Float.
I don't know if we call it mango float, but we call that Graham cake with mango. How about you, Ella May? Did you enjoy it?
It's lovely.
But the sun came in through the window today, lit up my face in a brand new way, flash that smile, even if it's shade.